This video is going to be about gray whales. Gray whales survive by feeding. They are the only bottom-feeding whale. They eat mostly tiny shrimp like amphipods. They take mouthfuls of mud from the bottom of the ocean and use whiskery ballenes as a filter to get rid of unwanted material. The amphipods stay stuck to the baleen, and the whales loosen them from the baleen and swallows. Respiration. Whales are mammals and need oxygen. They breathe using their lungs. Although whales do not have noses to breathe through, instead they use a blowhole at the top of their head. They use this to come up to the surface and breathe in their oxygen. Internal transport. The gray whale is an endotherm, and it can adjust its body temperatures to its surroundings. They have a four-chambered heart. Their arteries and veins are beside each other, so when cold blood comes from the surface, it gets warm before it goes to the heart. Excretion. Whales excrete large amounts of salt water because they take so much in when they eat. They also excrete urine. Reproduction. Mating can happen with up to 3 or 4 individuals, and reproduction rate is high. The mother will generally only give birth to one calf, but in some cases there may have been twins, but it is really rare. Response and motility. Whales have long, sleek bodies. They have a rubbery skin, little to no hair, and no ears, which allows them to glide smoothly in the water. Whales have flippers to help them steer, balance, and help them stop. How are the stellar jay and gray whale the same and different? They are the same because they are both vertebrates and have notochords, communication, specialized respiratory systems, excretion systems, and have a four-chambered heart. They are different because stellar jays have air sacs to help them breathe when in flight, and whales have blowholes. Stellar jays lay multiple eggs, and the gray whales give birth to calves. Describe the exoskeleton and endoskeleton and compare the differences. Exoskeleton. The exoskeleton is external support that protects and supports the internal organs and the body. The exoskeletons are made of hard material that allows excretion and sensing. Endoskeleton. The endoskeleton is an internal transport system that is an attachment site for muscles, organs, and provides protection. The endoskeleton's main support system is cartilage. With the exoskeleton, once the animal grows and becomes bigger, it must shed the exoskeleton and then create a new one. It then leaves the animal in a vulnerable state. With the endoskeleton, it grows to the animal. Ecological importance. When they sip through the bottom of the ocean when feeding, they release smaller vertebrates that rise to the surface and create food for other marine life. They provide nutrient-rich excretions. Unique characteristics. Gray whales can go without food for up to 5 months. They used to be called the devilfish because of their defensive behavior. They have one of the largest migrations of all mammal species.